Good day, everyone. Today, I will explain 6 common sorting algorithms used in computers. What are these? First, these are bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort, and heap sort. I will explain them in simple words so we can understand how they work. Firstly, bubble sort. In bubble sort, we compare numbers two at a time. If the left number is bigger, we swap them. We repeat this again and again. The biggest number is slowly moved to the end like bubbles going up. It's simple but slow when there are many items. Next is selection sort. Here, the computer looks for the smallest number in the whole list. Example, in the list of 1 to 10, he is looking for the smallest number like 1 and then puts it in the first position, then finds the next smallest number, example the 2, for the second position. So it is sorting by selecting the smallest number to the biggest, and so on. It is also simple to understand but not very fast. And for insertion sort, the computer builds the sorted list step by step. It takes one number, then inserts it into its correct position in the sorted part. Yes, this is like how we arrange playing cards on our hand. This method works well for small or almost sorted data. This is an example.
And now we have merge sort. This one is much faster. It splits the list into the smaller pieces and sorting each piece. After sorting it, now it's time to merge them back together. We merge two lists by comparing their smallest elements and creating new sorted lists, as shown in the example. Next we have quicksort. Quicksort is also one of the fastest sorting algorithms, and it works using a smart strategy called divide and conquer. First, we pick a number from the list. This number is called the pivot, which is a number that helps to split the list. Numbers smaller than the pivot go to the left, and the numbers larger go to the right. We repeat the same process on each side. Choose a pivot, partition, and sort until each piece contains just one number. And with that, all the pieces join together to form the sorted list. And for the last one, we have heap sort. Heap sort is the fast and place sorting algorithm that uses a special tree structure called a heap. First, we turn the list into a max heap, where every parent is larger than its children, ensuring the biggest number sits at the root. Then, we swap the root with the last element, placing the largest number at the end of the array. Next, We shrink the heap and heapify again to restore the max heap, repeating the process of swap, shrink, and heapify. Eventually, all elements are placed from largest to smallest, giving a giving a fully sorted list. Heap sort is reliable and efficient, making it a great choice for sorting large datasets. These sorting algorithms are essential for helping computers organize data. Some are simple but slow, like bubble, selection, and insertion. Others are fast and efficient, like merge sort, quick sort, and heap sort. Understanding the differences between them helps us know exactly how computers manage information. Thank you for listening.